Hello friends and welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about the RTX 2060 Turbo made by Asus. It has a 6GB DDR6 memory. It is a blower style graphic card and I had bought it in 2019 and use it ever since. So if you can see here, it accumulated a little bit of dust. Maybe I should open it up and see how the thermal paste looks like, but definitely not on this video. This video is to talk about how this graphic card can do its job in 2021. I use this graphic card not only for gaming, but also for mining and also for editing. For a 6GB graphic card, it can do a pretty good job. It has never failed me actually. So as you can see here, it has a 8-pin connector and also a space for another 8-pin, probably the higher end like 2070 or 2080s. The same blower style graphic cards, they should have another 8-pin because it consumes more power. This basically has almost the same power consumption as a 1660 Super or just a 1660. Let me see. So it doesn't show us over here, but here are some specs. Yeah, the key features like real-time ray tracing. So the box itself, it had a CD that I could install the drivers on it, but these days you just use the GeForce Experience. It's much more easier and reliable because most of the time they make the updates around 2 to 3 weeks difference, so you never know when another update will be uploaded in their website, so you should download this. Yeah, so it has NVIDIA GPU boost. It is a pretty good card. So yeah, if you can see here, it has 2 display ports and 2 HDMI. It doesn't have a DVI like the 1660. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Well, I use only one. I put it on my TV, so basically it's like one type of monitor. Alright friends, so let's check it out and see how the RTX 2060 is mining in 2021. One of the best features of this RTX 2060 is this red light over here. So if you do not connect the 8-pin connector to your graphic card, this red light will appear. If you connect it, like let's put it right now. So yeah, now the red light is on. It means that the 8-pin connector working perfectly. So let's start it on. Yeah, we will make also a sound test. So yeah, as I said before, this is that dim light. Pretty cute though. If you don't like your computer to have too many RGBs, this one is perfect. So this is how the decibels, see when I'm talking, the decibel increase to 60, 70, around that, 58. This is the noise that the graphic card is making. Yeah, it's around 28%, I think, the fan speed. So if we're going to increase the fan speed, let's say to 50%. Apply. You see that the decibel increase as well. Sometimes it's reaching 38, but if you put it closer to the graphic card, it will sound even louder. So with the 50%, the sound noise is increasing dramatically. It's quite high actually. Let's make it to 95%. Alright, 91, 95. Wow. Close to the TV, the speed definitely increase. Not to mention close to the GPU. The best thing is that the temperature is around 47 degrees. That is insane. Yeah, so it's mining, and with 45 degrees, still nobody, I presume, wants to have this kind of speed. So with 50 you might live, but I usually put around 48 or 45% because the sound, the noise, it's extremely high. Alright, so let's see the mining test. So in June 2021, the RTX 2060 is mining around 663, 62, so between 62 to 63 Raven coins, which quite impressive actually. So because the Bitcoin price has been reduced dramatically, every other cryptocurrency prices has been reduced as well. But also the miners in China have reduced activity. This means that ordinary miners that have only one computer and one GPU can mine with pretty good hash rate right now. The profit is not really high, it's around $52.27 per month, or around 21 Raven, or $1.5 per day, because I'm also mining the Monero here. So actually I think it's higher, let's say around 1.8 per day, without Monero. So 21 Raven per day, pretty good mining. Actually, it's very good. So even that you're mining with a low hashing or higher hashing rate, but the profit might not be that high, you just, I guess, need to wait until the price is rising up. So yeah, the more Raven will be mined, so the more Raven coin will be mined, the better it will be for the blockchain. Let's check out some Ethereum. Let's see how this one is going. I will leave it for a couple of seconds or minutes, we will see. So I think it has been stabilized now. It's around 0.195 Ethereum, or $51. Surprisingly, the Ethereum price, even that it's higher, still cannot mine that much actually. So 27.21 mega hashes per second is not really good actually. Yep, that is unfortunate. And if you want to mine Ethereum with an RTX 2060, I would suggest not to. Better check the gas. So when the gas of Ethereum is high, also the hashing rate is high. So let's check out some. How much is the hashing rate right now? It's 15 Gwei. Wow, that it's extremely low. So yeah, I'm checking all the time the gas. Sometimes I'm mining the Ethereum, sometimes I'm not. And if you see it that the gas is very low, better not to mine Ethereum. just put it on Raven or Firo. Let's check Firo. Let's see how the Firo is working. So apparently the Firo cannot be mined. Oh no, wait, it's starting right now. Nope, it drops. Is it going to start or not? No. Maybe I just need to restart the computer. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Let's restart the computer and I will check that out. How is it going to mine the Firo? So yeah, after our hard restart, let's see how it's going. Make this one smaller. Okay, so apparently it started. So when you see this is the processing power, the processing or the GPU clock, let's say it's more exactly GPU clock in megahertz. So when it's like this, it means that it's working. Sometimes I do not understand why the Firo, if you want to mine the Firo, you have to restart the computer. It happens all the time for me, so yeah, that is fine. I mean, if you mine the Firo with a good profit, then it doesn't matter if you restart it or not, right? So let's leave it for a couple of seconds. Alright, so it took around 2 minutes or more than 2 minutes to stabilize the hashing rate. So apparently you mine with the same profit as Ethereum, or they're close. They're like $1 or $3 more or less. Yeah, so the Raven has a higher profit right now on 4th of June 2021. But if you want to mine Firo, why not? It's not bad. It depends what kind of currency you like. If you like the Firo, you mine Firo. If you like the Raven, you mine Raven. If you like Ethereum, mine Ethereum. Even that Ethereum right now is definitely not profitable to mine it, but they are closely related. So yeah, depends only on you what you want to do. And if you would like a good mining software, I would recommend to download Better Hash. The Better Hash doesn't charge you for transferring the coins from their wallet, so they retain some of the coins, but they will not charge you for that. It means that those coins that are retained, it's to ensure that you have enough coins to pay for the transfer, and the transfer fees are done by the mining or the blockchain. Yeah, so just look down in the comment section and you will see my referral link. You will also help me, you will help the channel grow, and I will come later on with some more videos. I will make later on a comparison between graphic cards, the blower fan style or the normal fan, and I will tell you what are the differences between them. I will try to see if I can compare the sound also, but you saw it already for the blower fan that it's extremely high, so I don't think it's worth it. Still, I will talk about it, and yeah, hope to see you then. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. If you like it, share it with your friends, and have a very nice day.